Sometimes when you go to install your website code for your Smartform or Lightbox, sometimes you're going to find that you're not using a web editor such as Wix that will allow you to put in JavaScript that has an external source. So unfortunately in those situations you're not going to be able to use ResponsiBid the way that it was intended. But that's okay. All you have to do is grab this code after the slashes, just grab that URL, copy that URL, and then just go into a bar and insert that into the URL bar. Now if you do it in Chrome, you'll notice that this is what comes up. So what you're going to do is take the second line here where it has this URL, and you are going to copy that URL. Now what this is going to do for you is it's going to make it so that when you're in a situation where you're not able to use the JavaScript, you can make it so that you've actually stripped out where the form is at, and you're going to be able to send customers directly to that page. And here's how you would do it. In an editor such as this, you would click on the element, and then you would take the link and make it a page. It's a page web address, because it's an external page. So then you would paste the page right there, and you can decide if you want to open a new window or stay in the current window. If it stays in the current window, then it will basically they'd have to use the back button to get to your site, but if they do new window, then it'll open up a new tab or a new window depending on how the person's browser is set up. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and leave it to new window, click done, and I'm going to preview it. Now previously when I click get a quote, it would scroll me down to a form to fill out, but now when I click it, it opens up a whole new tab and it puts me on the page with the form. So I'm going to go ahead and close that tab, because as we noticed before, that opened up in a new window, and I'm going to go back to the editor and I am going to publish the page. Now that I've done that, I am now fully live